Here's how I made $2,000 every single day with YouTube automation, and I'm about to show you exactly how you can do it too. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our free AI resources so you can also become a part of our growing community and be an AI legend. First, the key is to choose your niche. Pick something you're passionate about or that has high viewer interest. Whether it's tech, lifestyle, or education, make sure it's something people are constantly searching for. Next, head over to ChatGPT and ask for 30 content ideas for your chosen niche. This will be your content blueprint for the next 30 days. No more scrambling for ideas, you'll have a full content plan ready to go. Once you have your list, it's time to generate your first script. Select a topic, then ask ChatGPT to create a full 8-minute script. This script is the foundation of your video, making sure you're not wasting time thinking about what to say. Now head to 11 Labs to generate your voiceover, upload your script, and let 11 Labs transform it into a professional voiceover that sounds like it was done by a top-tier narrator. Next, ask ChatGPT for a prompt to generate images for each scene in your script. You'll need visuals to support your message, and ChatGPT can give you the perfect descriptions to match your voiceover. After that, use Google FX's unlimited image generator to bring those visuals to life. With these high-quality images, your video will look polished and professional. Once you have your voiceover and images, it's time to head over to CapCut. Import your voiceover and images, edit them together, and create a seamless video that's ready to engage your audience. Make sure to add captions, effects, and some background music to keep your viewers hooked from start to finish. A little extra polish goes a long way. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, this could be your solution to finally break free from that cycle. AI voiceovers are one of the fastest growing ways to earn passive income, and they can truly change your life. And today's your lucky day because we've put together a complete step-by-step guide to help you get started. Just hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell, then check out the pinned comment down below to get your free guide on making money with AI voiceovers. And there you have it, a fully automated YouTube video that can earn you money without you lifting a finger. Start following these steps today and watch your earnings grow. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.